Wow. All right, guys. So I cashed out $141 ticket from Mo Mummy. I put it in here, got down to last 40 cents, and finally landed the 3 suitcase bonus. This is going to be magical. I feel it. Big chip. Yes. 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 Let's get a grand. Let's get the grand. Why not? Why not me? Why not today? Come on. One more. Let one more. Then one more. Come on. One more. Come on. One more. One more. Get in there. There's nobody home. There's nobody home. This. Wow. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Woo! Oh, we're still in it. Yes. Yes. I had totally forgot. I had totally forgot we were in the bonus. Oh, Lordy. Come on. Come on. Sit down, Bo. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. This is why we love Park MGM today. Yes. Oh, Miner, sit down for me one time, Miner. Up here. Oh, that's okay. One more time. Let's do it. One more time. One more time. Big briefcase in the middle. Oh, no, no, no. No waste spins. No wasted spins. No wasted spins. All right. Come on. Come through. Come through. Kings. I mean, that's okay. Beauty. Beauty of a bonus. I was down, remember, 4 cents. I was down my last 4 cents. 318.40. Wow. Wow.